To accelerate progress in reducing stigma and discrimination targeting persons living with HIV, the National AIDS Programme Secretariat (NAPS) has held a number of workshops to sensitize various categories of professionals that interact with HIV-positive persons on the social issues preventing effective HIV response locally. The training held at the Police Officers Training Center, Ivleri, Georgetown, featured regional commanders from the various police divisions along with heads of units who were educated on the basics of HIV, how it is transmitted, treatment options, and response mechanisms in place. It follows a number of other similar workshops which targeted healthcare providers and junior ranks of the Guyana Police Force. Manager of the National AIDS Programme Secretariat, Dr. Tyreek Jagnarein, highlighted that stigma and discrimination against persons living with HIV has existed for decades and thrives on ignorance. Nonetheless, with initiatives like these, NAPS anticipates that the stigma level in Guyana would be lowered significantly by 2025.
Despite legal protections and some reduction in ignorance and fear about HIV, people are still denied and fired from jobs, kicked out of residences, ordered to limit contact with family, and discriminated against in many ways as persons who are HIV negative. Perhaps most shockingly, healthcare personnel and members of law enforcement have been known to stigmatize persons who have HIV.
Dr. Jagnarein emphasized that accurate information is a powerful antidote to ignorance that cultivates various forms of stigma and discrimination against HIV-positive persons. He urged the law enforcement officials to keep an open mind when interacting with key populations at a higher risk of contracting the virus.
Far too many people around the world still lack basic knowledge about HIV and how it's transmitted. The link between ignorance about HIV and stigma towards those is clear from recent studies that we're seeing. However, it is also clear that more than ignorance is behind stigma. Accurate information.
HIV high-risk populations include men who have sex with men, other members of the LGBT plus community, commercial sex workers, and migrants. Of recent, NAPS has recognized that more of the HIV cases were recorded among persons between the ages of 21 to 30. It is estimated that in excess of 9,500 persons living in Ghana are HIV positive. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.